a very strong message of unity of the Northeast.
This fight is not about politics. This fight is about identity, culture, justice, dignity, and the future of our people.
Whether you are Khasis, Garos, Jaintias, Boros, Dimasas, Maitais, Kukis, Nagas, Mizos, Tiprasas.
और इसलिए हमें साथ रहना है, एक दूसरे का साथ देना है. Together, and we will fight.
Not as Hindus and Christians or Buddhists, but as one community.
So everything is possible. Of course, unity, because without unity, we won't be able to do anything.
एक आदमी की आवाज और हजारों सैकड़ों लोगों की आवाज में बहुत अंतर है.
And this is the beginning. But this is only the beginning. I feel that it is our duty to speak up for each other, to stand for each other, and to work with each other.
Just because हम लोग ईमानदार हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग गरीब हैं, इसका यह मतलब नहीं है कि हम लोग कमजोर हैं. We may be poor, but we are not weak.
Because this is our fight to save our democracy, not somebody's democracy.
I will take up issues that are important to the indigenous people of the Northeast. I will fight for people who are not able to take their voice all the way to Delhi. We will bring the people of Northeast, we will bring the people of different indigenous backgrounds, of different minorities
As one.